Hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do a quick flip through. This is the Paperbag journal that I showed a couple of weeks ago. This is for a swap, so I didn't show everything initially in the how to make the video. So what I like doing with projects is I sometimes leave them a couple of days or a week or what and go back to them, because then you can see where glue didn't take or where washi tape came undone or things like that. So we're starting with the cover. I've added some embellishments and dangles on there, and this is the opening, so let's open. I've added a whole lot of these embellished little bull clips. I did that in a video also, I'll post the link, so to keep the contents of the pockets safe. I'm also going to show what's in the pocket so that you get some ideas what you can do in your Paperbag journals. So the first pocket is filled with paper bags, so you can make a mini journal, you can add some in this journal. These journals are a combination of things, like a storage thing, and then also to use. So just keep that in mind. And then some tags, so some decorated tags, a little vellum envelope with all bits and pieces, so that can be used to further embellish the journal or to just use in other journals, so it's also a little bit of fun. I've embellished with lace where I could, some fabric tape, it's a fabric pocket, so really just detail, and then I've used clips of some type to do the pocket. So that's a peg with mini jewels on, and then this pocket has a whole mix of doilies. Throughout I've kept with the birds, butterflies, nature, that sort of theme, all in blue. So the embellishments can be quite simple, so that's a gauze with the layered embellishments. Oh, sorry, that noise is the little beaded tie. These are little end strips with mini tags tucked in. That was the little tuck spot that I showed in the videos. Just a little touch, little embellished, embossed envelope, again with stickers and die cuts and things to use in the journal or wherever the pen pal wants. And then this again is just a little embellished paper clip. This is a pocket, one of the Paperbag pockets. Embellished. This I'd actually received in a swap, so I'm happy to use it again. Have some writing paper, so this you can journal on. And then that goes back. This was quite a nice detail. It's a brad in a ribbon with a bulb pin with some shells. So that also works. This was a vellum pocket I showed, and then I've tucked some stickers in. And again, there's a little bit of bling. And then this pocket has 6x6 pages, a whole mix of pages in. See, this has come undone, so that's something to just look at when you've stuck something down. Give it some time. And then there's some little journaling cards that I've just embellished. So basically all the pockets are now filled and all the paper bags are now filled. And then there's just some words and things. This was a little flip up writing space. And then this is, we've done it that there were 3 pockets. So it's a pocket. And then there's a pocket. It's little layered clusters. It's journaling cards, it's tags, so there's 3 layers of things here. Just add some interest, so that's 1, 2, 3, and then if you do different colors and the way they stick out, it also adds some interest to the journal. another embossed envelope with this little lace detailing that also has some paper inside to write on. And then if you flip it over, the paper clip that keeps the envelope is also stuffed full of mini tags and all sorts of things. Again, this is just for interest's sake, so if you take that off, the whole lot comes off. And then again, there's tags in there, there's scrap paper, one of the glassine pockets that I'd made a while ago, die cuts, ephemera. And then what's nice with the envelope is the flap tucks over the bag, which also makes it look quite smart. I'm not going to put all of that back now. This now looks open, except it's got the whole range of little tags. But if whoever you're swapping with or whoever you're sending it to wanted to embellish, there's lots of things in the journal that they can use. This is a little glassine pocket with little tags, and I've done a different tie on every tag because it's quite a colourful page. And that's a little punch out with some detail. So just lots of tactile detail. Again, this is bare, so there's a bare page and a bare page. Not everything is very decorated. And then this one, the little bull clip's got a little dangle on. Oopsie. One says kindness and the one has a bee, so that's a postcard that they can write on. And then this on this side has an embellished email envelope. These email, the red and blue and the white, sometimes very jarring, so I did this with some distress sprays, and I actually love the effect. And then a bit of lace and things, and then again that's got stickers, it's got some vellum in, and then the little bull clip on the one side's a dangle, and on the other side is just some scrap fabric. So very easy. This is serviettes for decoupage, so all of they all fit into the pocket, so that's a good size pocket. Then this has that. This was the smaller bag, so there was a little cutout, punch out. So again, it's just bookmarks. This is a little jelly print tag. So it's just layering up elements that you can use in the diary. This is, it's a little booklet of odd vintage pages. This is the tickets also I made earlier. Again, the tickets with a pattern wheel, the coat checks, a postcard, a little vellum piece. So all the colours keep reflecting, and again, it's the natural. There's butterflies, there's insects, there's birds, so all of that. And then that's the last page. So the journal, as you can see, is quite chunky once it's filled and once all the pockets are filled. So just keep that in mind with your tie and your closure, because now this is quite easy because there's a lot of give. And then the same why I double enforce the spine, because there's a lot of wear on the spine, or a lot of strain on the spine because of the fatness of the journal. Paperback journals, of course, will be fat because they get fold. So you can actually go quite thick with your embellishments on the pages, because the journal is never going to be a thin journal because of the nature of the pockets, in my opinion. So that is a completed paperback journal. Also watch page 1, part 1 and part 2 of the how to make videos. In retrospect, I would have done my matting much closer to the edge of the paper bag. I had initially done it with a frame of the paper bag around, but when I looked at it, I didn't like it, so I ended up covering everything with either washi or lace or fabric tape or something like that. I think it's really a matter of taste. You could like the frame on each page. For this one, I just didn't like it, so I did a whole lot of retrospective things. So just be careful when you mat your paper bags how you want it to look. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Hope to bring you another video soon. Bye-bye.